Setcrete Level Smart is a low-odor, fast-setting, fast-drying, water-mix floor leveling compound. Suitable for preparing a wide range of sound internal subfloors prior to the installation of new floor coverings. Setcrete Level Smart is particularly suitable over old adhesive residues, such as bitumen, tackifiers and acrylic adhesives, without the need to prime. Pour 5 litres of cold, clean water into a clean mixing bucket. Open the bag. Roll back the top for easier handling. Gradually add all the powder while stirring with a power whisk fitted to an electric drill for a minimum of 2 minutes, until a smooth, creamy, lump-free consistency is achieved. Scrape the sides of the bucket halfway through to ensure all material is mixed. Pour the mix onto the subfloor and allow it to flow to attain a smooth finish. Minimal work with a smoothing trowel is required. The use of a spiked roller is recommended immediately to eliminate trapped air and smooth out flow lines to give a more uniform appearance. Setcrete Level Smart has an approximate working time of 15 to 20 minutes and can be applied between 2 to 10 mm unfilled or up to 30 mm filled by adding 12.5 kilograms of dry graded aggregate to the prepared standard mix. Setcrete Level Smart can be walked on in as little as 90 minutes, and new floor coverings can be installed from 4 hours.